This is a quick tutorial on logic gates. There are 7 basic logic gates and I'll start with NOT. So, NOT logic gate. There are both standards drawn, European ISO and American ANSI. The NOT gate has one input and one output. If searched, you can find them by 7404 as TTL, transistor logic, and 4009 as CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. The NOT gate is simple inverter, which means it outputs the inverted input value. For example, if we input 1, it outputs 0. If we input 0, it outputs 1. This can be seen in the truth table or in the time diagram, which shows us the input levels and the output levels. So that's for the simplest gate. Now moving on. And logic gate. If searched, you can find them by 7408 as TTL and 4081 as CMOS. Looking at the formula, we can see that the output is equal to multiplication of both inputs. So if either one of the inputs is 0 low level, the output also is 0. And if both inputs are 1s, the output is also 1 high level. Or logic gate. It has 2 inputs and 1 output. If searched, you can find them by 7432 as TTL and 4071 as CMOS. Looking at the formula, we can see that the output is equal to the sum of both inputs. So if either one of the inputs is 1 high level, the output is also 1, and if both inputs are 0, the output is also 0. NAND logic gate. This is a fused and NOT gate. If searched, you can find them by 7400 as TTL and 4011 as CMOS. Looking at the formula, we can see that the output is equal to inverted multiplication of both inputs. So basically, this is inverted AND gate, and the output levels are inverted as AND outputs. NOR logic gate. This is a fused or NOT gate. If searched, you can find them by 7402 as TTL and 4001 as CMOS. Looking at the formula, we can see that the output is equal to inverted sum of both inputs. So basically, this is inverted OR gate, and the output levels are inverted OR outputs, as can be seen in truth table. XOR logic gate. If searched, you can find it by 7486 as TTL and 4030 as CMOS. The formula is more complicated. The output is equal to sum of inverted A input multiplied by B input and inverted B input multiplied by A input. In short, we can see that the high level is outputted only when one input is 1 and other is 0, and vice versa. XNOR logic gate. This is an inverted XOR gate. If searched, you can find it by 4077 as CMOS. This logic gate uses similar formula, however, the output is inverted output of an XOR gate, as we can see it in truth table. Only when both inputs are equal, the output is 1. So thanks for watching, and smack that like if you learned something new.